In front of me is the OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Start by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a microphone at the top right corner. If you can't see it, tap on Gear 1 first, select voice typing, and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Visible Microphone. Choose while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. And now my favorite part. Click on your microphone and tap on tiny icon on the left of it. Select Next, hit Done, and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. You can move it around by holding and dragging it. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To enter some available settings, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, tap on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!